Alright, recording.
Easy, it's so easy.
I know, but it can record.
Hello, YouTube.
Alright. Let's begin. No, we're on 4.2, elementary matrix operations, okay?
Matrix operation?
Elementary, meaning basic, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Get your flashcard out, okay? Flashcard, everyone get your flashcards. Just one. One card. And the first thing I want you to write on your notes, not on your flashcard, okay?
Our notes or flashcards?
This is 4.2. Okay, so I want you to have your flashcard out, but the first thing I want you to write on your notes is skip 22 through 26, I think it is. Yeah?
Well, you mind if I use some scissors, Mr. Reverend?
Yeah, I do mind.
Hold on,
You just need one flashcard, right?
I want to cut them in half, that's what I do.
Okay, do it later. Just write on half of it and cut it later. Okay, so let's say when we have skip number 22 and number 26 on your homework. 22 through 26 even. Well, no, you should write it in your notes because when you use your notes to do your homework, you'll see it. And also, you're going to miss what I'm going to say right now. Write it later. This only works with equal-sized matrices, okay? When we have matrices that are the same size, they have the same dimensions, then you can do elementary math. Okay, meaning multiply, divide, add, subtract. You can add them, multiply them, add or divide. So let's use our example. So this is going to be your note card here, okay? And we'll call this, we're going to call this one A. And it's going to be equal to A, 2B, 3, and 3D. Okay? That is matrix A.
Equal size matrix is the name of the code, right?
No, this is just, as a note, it only works with equal-sized matrices. You could label the card elementary, what is this called? Elementary matrix operations. And then B is going to be 7, negative 8, C minus 5, and D plus 6. And I'll put those in parentheses so we don't get them mixed up, okay?
Or is it C5?
C minus 5.
Okay.
No, not 4. Okay. Now we can do all of these options, okay? We have A equals B. Option 2. A plus B. Option 3, what do you think it is? A minus B. A times B. I'll let you guess what the last one is. A divided by B, okay. So we can multiply, divide, add, subtract, or set them equal to each other, okay, because they're the same size. You could not say that a matrix that was like super tall, like a 5 by 3 matrix, is equal to a 2 by 2 matrix. That's just impossible, okay? But when we do this, depending on what the sign is going to determine how we solve it, okay? So if we have, so I'll start using some different colors here. Ooh, let's use green. Let's see how this one works. If I take number 1, for example, if I'm going to do A plus B.
Is this still on number?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I want you to have an example of how to do it. Well, actually, instead of that, let's do, hold on, instead of writing A plus B, let me get my darker pen out here, okay? So if you already wrote that down, either erase it or change it, okay? We're going to do A blank b. Okay? Equals, or arrow, okay? So if I take any one of these symbols, fill in the blank, I will be basically comparing the number, or you could call it the corresponding number or variable in each box. So a and 7 go together, b and negative 8 go together. You guys see that? Bottom left, 3 and c minus 5 go together. 3d and d plus 6 go together. Make sense? Yeah? So, if I was to fill in the blanks, I would do a blank 7. I would do 2b blank negative 8. 3 blank c minus 5. 3d blank d plus 6. Okay, so this will be your flashcard right here. You can use both sides. Okay. So you can set them equal to each other. You can add them together. You can subtract them from each other. Okay. You can multiply them together and divide them. Some of them will only be, like if I did plus, a plus 7 is as simple as I can get it. You can't simplify that, right? But if I did 3 plus c minus 5, I could simplify the 3 and the negative 5. Okay? So let me show you what that looks like. If so for questions number 1, let's just start going down here. Okay? For question number 1, so that, are you guys done? You guys got this written down?
Yeah.
This is how you calculate all these. Okay, so if you have a plus b, then you're going to do all these plus these. Okay? If you have a minus b, you take all these minus these. Same thing, yada, yada, yada. So now that we're done with that, go back to your note paper. Okay, you're like taking notes. If you get in a situation, for example 1, we're going to do what if it's equal. Okay? So I would take a equals 7, 2b equals negative 8, 3 equals c minus 5, and 3d equals d plus 6. And this is example 1. This is how you do problem number 2 on your homework.
That's CX.
That's just 1, example number 1.
Right. Example. Oh.
Example 1, okay? Example number 1 is, oh, this is off, that's why. There we go. I was like, this crooked. Oh no, this thing. So now I just solve, okay? I'm going to solve for each variable. That's what it's asking. So I would do a equals 7. That's my answer. B equals what?
4.
Negative 4. C equals 8. D equals 3. No. Yeah, 3. Yeah? Follow the train of thought here? Everybody with me so far? My last class said they were, but then as soon as they went to do the homework, they're like, but I don't get it. Okay? Sorry if you're watching second period. Maybe I'm doing a better job of explaining it this time than I did last time.
Nobody watches it. No one watches it.
Okay. Well, Mo, just, if you're listening to this, we all care about you. Alright.
Wait, that's a format for
Yeah.
So C is equal to 8. How do you get that?
I added 5 to both sides.
Oh.
I solved for C. So basically I set up 4 equations. Y'all see that? I set up 4 different equations and solved for each. Okay? That's the easiest way to do that. You're going to have to do the same thing for number 14 and 16, but first you have to simplify. Okay? First you have to simplify before you can, yeah. Now, go to this next section. Instead of writing like A plus B or anything like that, they give you the whole thing written out. Okay? So if I was to do, for example, number 2, if I was to do 5, 2, 3, plus 1, 7, 2, 6. Alright, I'm just going to add all the tops and the bottom. So I'll do 5 plus 1, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 2, 1 plus 6. Now, doesn't that seem like you could just do it in your head? Yeah, but that doesn't show your work. I guarantee you, somebody's going to try to turn in homework to me tomorrow, and you're not going to put this, and I'm going to say, sorry, it's incomplete, get a 0, and you're going to be like, but I did most of it, really? No, because I'm going to go back and say, look at the video, and you're like, no, you didn't say that, and I'm going to say, oh, we have proof, okay? That's how you show your work. Okay? Now, when you do a larger problem that's asking you to do more than this, then sure, you don't have to show this step. But right now, for numbers 3 through 12, it's a one-step process. Okay? So I want you to write it down so it goes in the back of your head and it lodges in there so you don't forget it. Cool. Easy, right?
Yeah.
Really quick as a side note, if I have 0, if it says something like this, 0 sub 3 by 2, it's just saying I have a 3 by 2 it's just saying I have a matrix that's full of zeros, okay? Because you can't add matrices together if they're not the same size. So it's saying this 0 could be expressed as this. This is just 0, isn't it? Okay? Looks like a Lego.
It does.
Or a door
No. What?
with big, like a big giant castle door. Alright, Lego works. Think of Lego. Okay, when you get to number 14 and 16, you're going to have something come up that we haven't talked about yet. So is everybody good? Yeah? Okay. Mm-hmm.
We're still taking notes?
Yeah? No, there's harder stuff.
No.
That's easy. Well, not that harder. Okay, so if I have let's just go back and look at this one. We'll just say 5,
Can you move it so we can see
3, yeah, 1, 7. Okay. Now I just have some rando thing, right? And we'll say that's equal to A, which it is in the book. What if I was to say, can you tell me what 5A is? That's the same as writing 5 times this whole thing. What do you think I'd do in this situation?
multiply 5 by
Yeah, multiply 5 by each one. So that's going to look like this. 5 times 5, 5 times 3, 5 times 1, 5 times 7. That'll give me 25, 15, 5, and 35. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just distributing, basically. That's exactly what you're doing, is distributing it. So that comes up in actually that pops up in numbers 10 and 12, so it's good that we went over that. So, yeah, you have to simplify and then plug in, okay? Number 18 and 20, you're going to have to set up an equality, okay? But in order to find the value of everything, you have to simplify first, okay? So for 18 and 20, leave yourself a note, simplify first. Because you can't solve for your variables until you have two matrices equal to each other that are the same size, okay? So 18 and 20, simplify first. You're going to skip 22 through 26. And then this last example, okay, and then we'll be done, is how do I solve for x when something happens? So, let's say I have 1 I have this little matrix. This is my last example. Call it example 5 because I don't know which one we're on. Okay, I'm going to move it up a little bit and I'm going to do it in dark blue. Okay, example 5. 1, 2. And that's plus 3x equals. Now, how do you think I go about solving for x in this situation?
Oh, just leave it there.
Just leave it there. Okay, so let's look at the matrix as like an entire term. So I have one term plus another term equals another term. If I want to get x by itself, what do I got to get rid of? I got to minus this other term. So I'm actually going to subtract from here. So this is going to cancel out, right? Because they're the same size matrix. I can do 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. So I'm going to be left with a matrix of zeros. So that cancels out. Okay? On this side, I'm going to do the same thing, though. I'm going to write it up here so it's easier to see. This 1, 2. Which should leave me with 3x. What is my there? 4, 0, right? Okay. How would I normally get rid of the 3 so I can solve for x? Okay, so then we're going to do the same thing here, okay? We're going to divide this by 3. Now, I'm going to do divide by 3. And remember, we're distributing, right? So I have to divide both of those things by 3. So x would equal 4 divided by 3 and 0 divided by 3, which is just 0. And that would be my answer.
Boom. That's
Okay? So you're using the entire matrix as like a number, right? But it's just like combining like terms. If I have 2x minus 5, I can't subtract 5 from 2x, right? Just like I can't take 3x plus 1 matrix with 1 and 2. So then I have to only combine my like terms together to solve for my x. Okay? Alright, I think as you guys practice this, you'll get it. So what we're going to do for the rest of the class is our homework. Alright, so get to getting. Look at your notes. If you come and ask me for help, I'm going to say, what does your notes say? Okay?
Romeo.